Setting up this Reese weight distribution hitch from each trailer took a lot longer than I expected because I simply didn't have the tools for the job. So if you want to find out what you need to get it done quickly, check out my video. Here are the challenges that you will face when you buy Reese weight distribution hitch from e-trailer. Hitch ball is not pre-installed, so now you have to figure out how are you going to torque it to 450 foot-pounds. I took the hitch head to the mechanic friend of mine that works on Porsches. Center lock wheels on these cars required torque wrenches that could move small countries, so he was able to help me with that. To set up your hitch correctly, you need to torque these balls to 300 foot-pounds of torque. To avoid multiple trips to the mechanic, I needed to not only get the right size wrench and a socket, by the way, they are 28 millimeters, but also rent this monster torque wrench from AutoZone. This wrench has a 3/4 inch drive head, so I couldn't source the socket locally. So here is how we're going to tighten the lower bolt. I'm just wedging this against my frame here, and you have the big torque wrench. Okay. This is how we're going to torque the top bolt at 300 foot-pounds of torque. If you enjoyed this series on the travel trailer related stuff, then please consider liking and subscribing to my videos.